is, am, are. With I, we use am. With you, we and they, we use are. With he, she and it, we use is. I am happy. You are ready. We are late. They are busy. He is sad. She is good. It is small. Have and has. With I, you, we and they, we use have. With he, she and it, we use has. I have a pen. You have time. We have work. They have books. He has a bike. She has a job. It has four legs. Do and does. With I, you, we and they, we use do. With he, she and it, we use does. Do I need this? Do you know me? Do we have time? Do they like tea? Does he play cricket? Does she cook well? Does it work now?